Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a young woman named Lily. She had always been a dreamer, staring up at the stars every night, wondering what grand plans the universe had in store for her. Lily had a gentle heart, and she devoted her days to helping others, spreading joy wherever she went. Unbeknownst to Lily, the gods themselves had taken notice of her compassionate spirit and unwavering kindness. Among them, there was a council that oversaw the destinies of mortals, ensuring that the tapestry of life unfolded as intended. One day, as they observed Lily, a divine debate arose. Some gods believed she deserved an extraordinary destiny, while others felt she should follow a more ordinary path. In the midst of this cosmic discussion, the wise and enigmatic deity known as Astrea, the goddess of destiny, intervened. She suggested that Lily's fate should be decided through a series of trials, allowing her to demonstrate the strength of her character and the depth of her kindness. Thus, the gods orchestrated a series of challenges in Lily's life. Each hurdle was designed to test her resilience, compassion, and integrity. At first, Lily was unaware of the celestial influence, but she faced each trial with unwavering determination, never faltering in her commitment to spreading goodness. The first trial came in the form of a devastating drought that struck the village. Crops withered, and the people struggled to survive. Lily took it upon herself to rally the community, organizing a collective effort to conserve water and share resources. Through her leadership and optimism, she kept hope alive in the hearts of her fellow villagers. The second trial brought a plague that threatened to consume the village. Lily, undeterred by the danger, tended to the sick and comforted the afflicted. Her touch seemed to ease their suffering, and her presence alone brought a sense of peace to those in their final moments. Her selflessness in the face of such despair inspired others to rise and stand beside her. As the trials continued, the gods watched in awe as Lily's love and compassion shone brighter with each challenge. She had unknowingly become a beacon of hope not just in her village, but beyond, as tales of her kindness spread far and wide. The gods, no longer divided, were now in agreement. Lily deserved a truly special destiny. Astrea, moved by Lily's unwavering spirit, decided it was time to reveal the divine plan to her. One starlit night, as Lily gazed at the heavens above, Astrea appeared before her in a radiant burst of light. Lily was taken aback but not afraid, for she sensed the divine presence held no malice. "Lily," Astrea spoke, her voice carrying the weight of the universe. "We, the gods, have watched you with great admiration. Your heart is a wellspring of kindness, and your actions have touched the lives of many. You have passed our trials, and now we bestow upon you a special destiny." Lily listened in awe as Astrea revealed the grand design the gods had crafted for her. She was to become a guiding light of compassion, a living embodiment of love and empathy. She would be gifted with the ability to heal the hearts of the wounded, to comfort the souls burdened by despair, and to inspire hope even in the darkest of times. Overwhelmed and humbled, tears streamed down Lily's cheeks. She had never sought glory or recognition. Her acts of kindness were simply an extension of who she was. Yet the gods saw fit to grant her divine purpose, and she vowed to carry it with the utmost reverence. From that day on, Lily embarked on her new journey, traveling far and wide, touching the lives of countless beings from all walks of life. Her aura of compassion was tangible, and those she encountered felt a warmth in her presence. With each person she helped, her light grew stronger and her impact on the world deepened. Lily's story became a legend, passed down through generations, a reminder that sometimes the greatest plans the universe has for us are hidden in the simplest acts of kindness. And so, she lived on, a living testament to the power of love and the beauty of destiny. The gods smiled upon her from above, content in knowing that their plan for Lily had unfolded perfectly, and that her light would continue to shine brightly even long after she had returned to the stars from which she came.